This case is fire. This is absolute fire. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a new case from UAG. That's right, Urban Armor Gear, and this is for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is built with Kevlar. Now, Kevlar is super strong, but super expensive. Now, it's a lightweight case. It is the Monarch Series. If you guys are familiar with UAG, they got some really good cases, and this is the Monarch Series. So we're gonna get right into it. A lot of people have been excited about this case because of the Kevlar and also the cool looking design, almost like that Batman black, if you want to call it that. But this thing is absolutely sexy looking. If you could see here, look at that thing. I mean, this thing is just an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous case. If you look at it here, let's set it up there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You got some red accent colors there on the bottom. I mean, on the back. You got your beautiful UAG branding there. You got the camera protection here for your cameras. Your quad cameras on your Galaxy S22 Ultra, and then you got your excellent volume buttons here, very tactile. Got your good openings here for your S Pen, Type C, and your speaker, or no, Type C, speaker, and S Pen. Now, I like the S Pen here has a little indentation there, like a little drop, so you can pull it out very easy. You got your little screws there, or screw-like looking things there on the back, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. That is for your microphones there, and very lightweight, good grip. It's got some raised here on the side for your screen, but very lightweight. It's an expensive case. This thing is running around 80 bucks at Best Buy, so you have to, oh, look at that. Doesn't that look just gorgeous? Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous looking. Look at that. That's just nice. I mean, you get some great protection on your camera there. I mean, that's the best I've seen on a case. Just the individual cutouts for each one. Then you got this like cool material there, the Kevlar. I mean, it's just, this thing is just outstanding as far as quality. And you do get some protection there on the screen, on the top and bottom. Also around the actual display, it's a little raised there. But this is just, man, this is a very, very nice case. The buttons are very easy to push. Volume up and down, no problems there. I mean, this thing is just absolutely fierce looking. This case is fire. This is absolute fire. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price on this is, and this is Best Buy, 79 bucks. Very expensive case, but you might be able to get a good deal on it from other places, but I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick it up and purchase it. But this is just very well made. I love UAG cases. This is a cool case. I do like it. I might have to rock this for a little bit. I was rocking the civilian case, which, if you were to compare the two, this is a little more toned down, but this is a nice case. I like this case. It's already gotten scratched up though a little bit, as you can see in the back, but I do like this case a lot. It's got that two-tone effect. I like the feel of this one actually better than this one, but I like the look of this. This has got that Batman look, man. This thing is just crazy looking. Love the way this one looks. Love it. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys got this case. Too expensive, worth it, worth the money. I don't know, man. It's lightweight though. Oh, the S-Pen. Almost forgot. Yeah, very easy to pull out. Very easy to pull out and put back in. So you have no issues there. But hey man, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Also hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming your way. I'm gonna get out of here, man. This is the Monarch Series from UAG. Peace out, party people.